Hello there, DailyDAV. Today I'm in Houston, Texas, meeting the latest member in the DAV advisory board. I can't tell you who he is yet. I'll drop a few hints.
Hey guys, this is Daniel reporting from Houston. Yesterday evening I met John, our co-founder. Great guy, we made some video content together. Today me, him and Noam went to get some very exciting footage with our very special advisor, which we'll announce him very soon, so stay tuned. Right now I'm back at the hotel. I'm gonna transfer all the materials to my laptop and going to check it out. That's it for now, bye guys.
Hey guys, yesterday I started working on a new communication protocol for car parking and continued working on it today most of the day. Completed the first version, so that's pretty cool. And today I also started creating a video script for a cooperation we're making with a robots company, Ozarian, with which we are making a POC of a communication between rescue robots that are looking for lost drones that, for example, ran out of battery. So this is going to be pretty cool POC and a video as well. So continuing working on that for now, and I think that's it. Thanks.
Hey, good morning. Yesterday I worked with Timmy, with Griffin and with Lior on new pull requests, issues, things in our GitHub and new communication protocols. I also interviewed 2 new developers, and I had some time in the morning to make some progress on our smart contract, which was a lot of fun. Today, Alec and I just finished a call with one of our partners, Ozarian. They're building a platform for quick prototyping of robotics. Really cool stuff. And Lior and I are going to be setting the requirements for a prototype we're going to be building together with the guys from Ozarian in the upcoming months. Also today I'm going to be going over our different smart contracts, seeing what we still need to accomplish in time for those POCs, so we can have vehicles communicating with other vehicles over the blockchain, signing smart contracts, getting paid in cryptocurrency. Really cool stuff. I'll see you tomorrow.
Hey guys, so I missed my daily DAV yesterday because I was under the weather, but I still got to work on some community correspondence and preparing some of our pre-sale documents. Today I will be catching up on some additional correspondence, and I will be coordinating the publication of our announcement for our newest advisory board member. See you tomorrow.
Hey everybody, Joe the Party here. So yesterday my main focus was to focus on paid advertising and focus on the website. So I made some great progress towards the website, where we keep marching towards that finish line, so a lot of great things happening there. And then also on the paid advertising front, also made some really good progress, working on some banner ads, working with new team members that are working and managing the paid strategy. So overall, a lot of good participation and work done there, and also some great advisor work done yesterday as well. Today, my main focus has been working on the content planner, so going ahead and getting that aligned with all the content pieces we're going to be producing over the next few weeks. Also had a great call regarding more paid advertising in a different form this morning with a new team member. Worked with our existing team member on the paid marketing strategy, so a lot of things happening between the website, paid marketing, and advisors. Thanks everybody, have a great day.
Hi, welcome to my daily DAV. Yesterday I did a bit of a deep dive around on-demand ride-hailing, and today I'm using some of that research to put into a document to do with our protocols, and then send it through to Tal and Leo to look over it for checking. Thank you.